Go. Oh my god. Oh my god, did you see that? Hey guys, welcome your faces back to another video. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Here we are in Wellington. I'm here with Nick and Michaela. We're here on a 4-day bit of excursion. We came up to see the DEA agents from the Pablo Escobar case, and we saw that last night. So yeah, now we're off on the rest of our adventure while we're here. We're gonna go check out the museum today and hopefully the cable car as well. Let's get to it. Way over in the distance over there, you'll see that tall building right there. That's where I started my last video in Wellington. So if you haven't seen that one before, go check it out. Up here. Ta-da!
You make my heart
Wow. So basically we've come up the cable car, we've explored around the Botanical Gardens a little bit. Not as much as we would have liked to, but it's kind of getting dark, so we're going to head back down the cable car, grab some dinner, and that'll be us for day 2. Let's go.
So Sam, you're going to recreate that photo?
I'm going to recreate, I'm recreating this photo. Right there.
I want to blur it. You going to do it? What are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for there to be no people.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call
There's a ghost kid coming in the elevator with us. Oh, he's in. Okay. Yeah, so it was nothing actually. It was just apartment buildings.
I didn't know there was more up there though.
Yeah.
You can't see them.
Oh.
That's it.
It's probably on this side, maybe.
They built apartments on the roof. Why?
Go. Oh my god. Oh my god, did you see that?
Guys, we're here at Scooterrazzi out near the waterfront in Wellington, and basically it's nighttime, so it's not open. We're just trying to stroll and we came across it, so we might come check it out in the daytime. But they have scooters and they got bikes, mostly Suzuki. I think they've got some Husqvarnas in there, and what can I see? Some V-Stroms. the SV650 just here in front of us. And I do know they've got some other stuff. But, yeah, we might come check it out tomorrow because the only bike shop we've seen so far in Wellington. Where are they? No idea.
Kia ora. Thank you for coming out. We're Happy Valley. We will begin playing any moment